We're not cooking today. Just watch, follow, and learn a new kitchen know-how. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Good morning, welcome back to our small kitchen here, Korean Uncle here in Holland, Romilo. Today I'm not cooking a recipe, but I'll be freezing my very first harvest from the garden. That's why I'm really excited. I'm very happy because finally I have the first taste of the fruits of my labor. Needless to say, we'll start with washing. When I say washing, real thorough washing. Never seen before on YouTube, this camera angle. I have here Chinese mustard and pechay, but it doesn't harm to blanch and process them together. These are organically grown, that's why they are rich with organic materials, dirt, perhaps traces of animal manure, what have you. That's why they have to be washed thoroughly. There might be even pests. We need this big amount of water to blanch the vegetables. While waiting for this to boil, I'm going to cut these vegetables into appropriate sizes for general recipes. Let's say nilaga, ginisang pechay with sardines. Regular sizes, perhaps just half. We don't have to mention that we cannot use frozen vegetables, leafy vegetables for salads, obviously, but for soup and sauce-based recipe, we can. My plan is to divide this entire volume into at least 3 to 4 portions, and enough for, let's say, one recipe or one dish. One portion for one dish. I changed my mind, this should be shorter. Bite size. I've learned from my mother, food size should not exceed the tablespoon size. That's a bite size. We can also fill this, what's this? We can fill our sink now with water, cold water, if it's not cold enough, ice cubes or ice, because once we place the, I'll explain later. This is to stop the vegetable from cooking. Our water is boiling now. This process is guaranteed to preserve the flavor, the color, and the freshness. It's even proven that frozen vegetables are even fresher than the displays at the fresh displays at the supermarket, because they were immediately frozen after harvest. It's really boiling now. Let's start with the pechay. We don't have to cook the veggies, we're just blanching them. Once they turn bright green, it's time to remove them from the boiling water and immediately into the cold water. The cold water will stop the vegetables from getting cooked. That's why the water has to be very cold. Cold and lots of cold water. And drain. It's better to have vegetables almost free of water to avoid formation of ice crystals. Just squeeze the water. Although it doesn't harm to have ice crystals in your frozen product later. Squeezing will help drain the excess water. and place it in a plastic bag. You have to remove the air. Yeah. See? Small volume. And let's put it in the freezer. Simple and scientific method of preserving your vegetables. So, the next time namura or paubos ang vegetables at the market, bumili ng marami at i-freeze, di ba? I hope you've learned something here on Channel 1. Your Kuya and Uncle here. And if you enjoyed what you've just watched, and if you want to see more of our cooking and growing videos, don't forget to subscribe at ibida natin ang ating pagkain Pinoy at allow us at mag-discover tayo ng mas marami pang pagkain ng ibang bansa. So, see you next time, dear steak party. I'll finish the rest of the vegetables. I won't shoot the rest. You will be bored. Manood muna ng ibang video. If you prefer the visit to the garden, click the I tab above now. And if you prefer travel videos, places, events, and peoples, perhaps My Barrio, My Mundo is for you. See you there. Before I go, I'd like to show you the complete batch. My abasto for the next months. Again, thank you for watching, and until next time.